You will learn how to add a gallery in Softr, displaying collections of images or visual content in an organized and attractive layout directly within your web application. This feature is incredibly useful for showcasing products, portfolios, event photos, property listings, or any other image-based content you need to present in a clean, visually appealing way. If you find this guide helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. Begin by logging into your Softr account with your usual credentials. Once you are signed in, look to the left sidebar where you will see a menu of options. Click on Applications to view a list of all the Softr apps you have created. This is your main dashboard, and from here you can manage every project you are building. Next, locate the specific application you want to edit and click on it to open it. After the application loads, you will again turn to the left sidebar and click on Pages. This reveals all the pages that make up your application, such as a home page, a product page, or a contact page. Find the exact page where you want the gallery to appear and open it in the editor by clicking on its name. Once inside the page editor, scroll through the content to identify the exact spot where you want your new gallery section to be placed. You might want it near the top to create an immediate visual impact, or further down within a product showcase area. When you have found the right location, you will see a small plus button, often represented by a plus symbol, at that spot. Click this button to open the block library. This library is your toolbox for adding all kinds of functional sections to your page, from text blocks to complex data lists. In the right sidebar that appears, look for a category labeled Application UI. Click on it to browse the available application blocks. These blocks are pre-built components designed to work seamlessly with your Softr app's data. Within this list, you need to locate the Grid category. Click on Grid and then click the See All button to view all the available grid layouts. Softr offers several grid options to help you organize content, but for displaying images with reviews or ratings, you will specifically want the block called Rating and Gallery. Click on the Rating and Gallery block, and Softr will automatically insert this gallery section into the exact location you selected on your page. You will now see a placeholder for your gallery, ready for you to fill with your own content. The real work begins with customization. First, you need to connect a data source. This is the foundation of your gallery, as it tells Softr where to pull the images and information from. You can connect to an Airtable base, a Google Sheet, or another supported data source that contains your image URLs, titles, descriptions, and any rating data. If you do not have a data source yet, you can also manually upload images one by one. Click on the gallery block to open its settings in the right sidebar. Here you will find fields to update the images. If you are using a data source, map the correct columns to the image field. If you are uploading manually, you can click to add new images. Take the time to edit the titles and descriptions for each image. These text elements provide crucial context for your viewers. A title might be the name of a product, and a description could be a short, compelling sentence about it. When it comes to layout, adjust the number of columns, the spacing between images, and the overall style to match your application's design. You want the gallery to feel like a natural, integrated part of your app, not an afterthought. After you have finished customizing the gallery with your data and design tweaks, it is vital to review the page. Zoom in and out to ensure all images are displayed correctly and that your layout looks balanced. A common pitfall is using images of wildly different sizes, which can make the grid look messy and unprofessional. To avoid this, use high-resolution images for the best visual quality and keep image sizes as consistent as possible. A uniform set of dimensions creates a clean, polished look that instantly elevates the professionalism of your application. Add meaningful titles or descriptions to provide context for each image, turning a simple photo into a valuable piece of information for your audience. Finally, preview your application on different screen sizes. Click the preview button to see how the gallery functions and looks on a desktop monitor, a tablet, and a phone. This step is critical because what looks perfect on a large screen might break or become disorganized on a mobile device. Make any necessary adjustments to the layout or image sizing until the gallery displays correctly everywhere. Then publish your changes. You have now successfully added and customized a gallery in Softr, giving you a powerful way to present image-based content in your application. The benefit is a visually engaging, organized showcase that helps your users browse and appreciate your work or products at a glance. As a next step, consider experimenting with different grid styles or adding filters so users can sort through the gallery. If you need to revisit this process later, feel free to save this video or come back to it whenever you build your next app. Thanks for watching.